Hey guys, this is John with JIPS Paranormal. I am currently on an investigation right now, and so far we've gotten quite a bit of good activity. We've had a couple of K2 hits, and they were not that small. It was to the yellow light. So I'm up in the client's attic right now, and I am going to see, is anyone here with me right now that would like to communicate? Something's moving back there. Now it is also a windy day, so I'm not too sure about if that's really paranormal or not, considering the wind. So um, now I can't really see the K2 meter, so if it goes off, I'll be amazed when I go back to review this, um, the recording. Yeah, that's wind. So whoever's up here, what's your name? I don't know if the camera just heard that. Or just knocks. And what the client says is that this house is very active, so it wouldn't surprise me if we would get a lot of stuff. I'm also rolling on recorder right now. If you're here by me right now, can you please tell me your name? I don't know if it's just me, but there's something that wants me to, like, it's a pulling feeling that they want me to go back there in the attic, but it's just like, it's hard to explain to where you want to go up there, but yet you physically can't. It's hard to explain. Sorry. And I'm sorry it's not the best camera or audio quality, but it's the only camera that I have. So, I thought I just heard a little pitter-patter of footsteps. The client does say that there is a ghost cat here, and it roams all throughout the house, so it wouldn't surprise me if it was the ghost cat. Let's set the recorder down. And I'm gonna close off this video, and if there was anyone up here in the attic that did say something, I really appreciate it. Could you, for one last time, for me, make this light flash? If you get near it, it'll flash. Can you come right up behind me and make this device light up? It won't harm you. All it will do will show me that you're here. Alright, well, I don't think that there's going to be a lot up here, but if you did follow us all through the house so far, and if you are already up here, I ask that you come along with Mom and I. That was a bug. Huh, scared me. Um, if you can come along with us as we venture down to the basement. But this is John Covey with the part 1 of the investigation. I will see you guys soon. Bye.